Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable system apps on Android. You can do that with ADB though, but if you are not technical and you want to just disable system apps that are clogging up your memory, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, this system app right here can't be uninstalled. This one, when you click and hold it, all you have to see is to go to the app information and the send to desktop, so you can't uninstall it. Just like other ones, Truecaller, I can uninstall Truecaller if I want. You can see right here. So if you want to disable an app, this way it won't run in the background and it won't interfere with your memory. In this video I'm going to show you how to do that. When you click on the app and you select app information, it will take you to the app information. At the bottom right here, you're going to see where it says disable. But first things first, you need to go to storage and click on clear cache and clear the storage. Make sure everything is cleared. It's going to first of all free up the storage that this app is using, the user data and the cache. So we have to go back and now click on disable app. Once more, you force stop it, and when you go back to your home page, you're not going to see the app anymore. It has disappeared. It's not going to run in the background. It's not going to take up your RAM. It will be disabled forever. You can do this with so many apps as you want. Anyway, that's how to disable system apps on Android. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.